Hi everybody and welcome to another workshop update.
Welcome everyone.
Now you guys, it's the first episode that we're going to put up this year in 2026, but we haven't been standing still, have we, Bob?
No, life hasn't stood still for Autobody Technic. We've been busy as always. We've had the Audi Audi S5 custom bonnet we've been doing. Loads of work happening on our 355. That video will be dropping soon.
Yeah, a whole entire series being built up on that. That's all been worked on in the background. Once that's ready, we'll be launching that very soon.
Lots of work been happening on the 964 full restoration and carbon roof.
Yeah.
Watch out for that one. Yeah. What else?
And the day-to-day.
And the day-to-day. Let's have a look at what we've been doing.
Absolutely.
So the first car I'm going to talk about is this amazing AMG GT. Makes a racket, livens up the workshop, and it's just menacing. So this car came in for just a small bumper repair. We've done a local repair on it, we've done what we call a smart repair. If we look at the orange peel on the original panels, which is the wing, and then we've followed that same orange peel going into the bumper. So although that's an orange peeled finish, it is the original OEM finish. We don't usually do smart repairs. All depends on certain types of or certain shapes of the panel. So on this one, we done a small repair on this side and we done our blow-in up at the top here. You'll never see it and it's going to last for years to come. A very rare spec 360 Ferrari. This is in for front bumper, a bit of a special boot lid that's going on there. What a wonderful spec. You don't really see a lot of these in jet black, but jet black with red interior and exhaust that will wake up the whole neighborhood. Full titanium induction kit. This makes a real racket in the morning when we start it up. But we'll be doing a separate video on this. Watch out for that. The 992 GTS, this was a car bought from Copart by a customer. He done a lot of the mechanical at home, came in to us. We've done a repair on the quarter, repair on the door, new wing, new bumper, repair the bonnet, blend it into the wing. Again, reset the car system. This is ready to go. Taycan, in for a rear bumper. Nice simple job. Bumper off, respray it, replace all the plastics, reset the computers. Now we have the computers to reset these, get all the functions back up and working again. We've got all of that in-house. So yeah, that was that one. It's not always about supercars at Autobody Technic. We even get to work on a couple of £100 worth of a Vauxhall Corsa. But hey, follow me. As you know, we're the #1 go-to garage for all your insurance repairs. So get onto your insurance company, tell them that you want your car repaired at Autobody Technic. They all know us and they'll put you through and we'll get the repairs done. So this one, put your comments in the link below. Do you think that this will be written off or will this be a repairer? New wing, new door mirror unit, new door, repair quarter panel. Put your comments in the comments below. Do you think write off or repair? Follow me, let's see what else has been going on. As you can see, the quarter panel's back on the Mini. It was just one of those jobs that I needed to get done. with a bit of peace and quiet. So last Thursday night, I literally had enough of everyone in the workshops and everyone at home. Got on this car at 8 o'clock in the evening, and I literally done a night shift. I didn't get home till 3 o'clock that morning. It took me that many hours to get this quarter panel on, ready for the boys to put it into primer and get the final finishing sealing done the next morning. We replaced the quarter panel on this race car Mini. The driver must have gone off track and hit the side. First thing we've got to do is find all those spot welds wherever it's welded on. So a little bit of persuasion. We're going to start drilling out all the spot welds. Now we don't drill all the way through, there's probably 100 of them. Once we've got them all off, then we're ready to start removing the panel from the car. Once it's off, we start cleaning all the spot welds. We've got it ready on the car with a few test fits. We're going to replace it with a second-hand quarter panel supplied by our customer. We start by cleaning up all the original welds off that second-hand panel. Second-hand quarter panel on, so there's a lot of cleaning. We've test fitted the quarter panel a couple of times just to get the gap work perfect. Once that's done, we weld it in and start dressing up all the welds. Once that's done, then it's all ready for primer. We don't see a lot of race cars at Autobody Technic. This was given to us by a really good friend of ours. So we've put a new quarter panel on this one. He's got a little bit of mechanical to do back at their workshops to get this back onto the race car. This will still see a good few more seasons in racing.
So as you can see, guys, it's been busy.
It's been an amazing start to the year.
Yeah, exactly. And we haven't been posting regularly, but we promised to get back on those as soon as possible. But
hey, we've been working on all these amazing machines.
Absolutely. And with that, guys, I think it's the end of another episode, right?
End of another episode, yeah.
So if you want to see real-time updates, Bob, where should they go?
Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook.
And if you want to see the full builds and the entire series, remember to like, subscribe, and comment here on YouTube. And we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Take care.
Who wants to see how to get in and out of the race car Mini? Follow me. Son of a... Now I've got to get out, get the booster pack because the battery's gone dead. Let's try that again. Before we jump in, let's just see if it starts first. If Carl done smart repairs, this would be the best smart repair in the world.